Not the Leaning Tower of Pizza, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Quick, take a picture for my scrapbook.
A zillion stories in every deck.
Adventure Cards!
Hey kids, welcome to Adventure Cards Kids TV. I'm your host, Richard Rosser, inventor of Adventure Cards. Today we're going to dive into the incredible world of storytelling with the help of my trusty sidekick, Sparky. Say hi, Sparky. You know, Sparky does a lot of work behind the scenes to help create fantastic stories for each episode. He sets up the lights, works the camera, even takes out the trash. Sparky, did you forget to take out the trash again? No wonder it stinks in here.
Hey Sparky, how do you keep a dog from smelling? You hold its nose.
Oh, Sparky, come on, it's just a joke. During this episode of Adventure Cards, we're going to pick and guess. At Adventure Cards Kids TV, we work together to create incredible stories. If you love to listen to or tell stories, then subscribe by clicking the red button below. When you tell a story, you can pretend to be any place you want. Right now, I'm in front of my bookshelves, but if this was a story, we could change the location. We could go anywhere we want. Oh, Sparky, that's a brilliant idea. We could go somewhere we've never been before, like the dog park? Sparky, we go to the dog park every week. I was thinking of going someplace more interesting, like the top of Mount Everest. Oh, look at that view. Isn't it incredible? But Sparky, it's cold up here. I don't want you to become a popsicle. Let's go somewhere a little warmer, like the desert. Oh, it's definitely warmer in the desert. I know, Sparky. Maybe it's too hot. You know, Sparky doesn't like to be a hot dog. Let's go somewhere a little cooler, like the beach. Oh, who doesn't love the beach? Hey, Sparky, I've got one for you. Why did the beach get wet? Because the seaweed. Get it? The seaweed. Yeah, okay. Anyway, do you know where I've always wanted to go? The Leaning Tower of Pisa. Sparky, not the Leaning Tower of Pizza, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Quick, take a picture for my scrapbook. We'll be right back after this ad.
Adventure Cards! If you're tired of mowing your lawn, call the furry friends at White Sheep Lawn Care, because long grass makes your house look bad.
Welcome back, kids. Are you ready to create an adventure? First, we have to bust open a deck of adventure cards. This next section of Adventure Cards Kids TV is like an unboxing video, except better, because once we open the deck of adventure cards, then we get to play with them. Let's find out what's inside this deck. Sparky, don't ruin the surprise for everyone. First, we take off the container band. Do you know what this looks like? It looks like a wristband, but it's too small for my wrist. Whose wrist do you think this might fit?
Ours!
You know, there's something else interesting about this wristband. Sparky, turn off the lights. I think this wristband glows in the dark. Whoa! Check that out! Now, we open up the plastic case and take the cards out. This card has a word on it. Can you read the word? It starts with a Z and ends with an Did you guess Zoom? That's right! This is an Adventure Card Zoom deck. Our deck of adventure cards has 3 colors: orange, blue, and yellow. The orange card is an animal, like an elephant, a lion, or a cow.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cows go.
Cows go who?
Cows don't go who, they go moo.
The first color in our adventure cards deck is orange. The orange cards are animals. What's your favorite animal? Fantastic! Can you guess my favorite animal? Let me give you a hint. My favorite animal has 4 paws, eats kibble, and helps make episodes of Adventure Cards Kids TV. Can you guess my favorite animal? That's right, it's Sparky! Of course you're my favorite animal, Sparky. Oh, Sparky's favorite animal is a duck. Speaking of ducks.
What do ducks put in their soup? Crackers!
The next color in our deck of adventure cards is blue. The blue cards are objects. You know what an object is? An object is just a fancy name for a thing. Like a key? An apple? Or a basketball? Can you name an object? Look around and see if you can spot an object. Do you see something? Sparky says he sees a hat. Wait, my hat? He's right. My hat is an object. The last color in our deck of adventure cards is yellow. The yellow cards are places. Like a merry-go-round? A barn? Or a cave? A place is the setting. That's where a story takes place. Oh, Sparky, hold your horses. We can't play adventure cards until the kids know how the game works. The rules are simple. I'm gonna act out an animal, an object, and a place. You see if you can guess what I'm acting out. If you guess right, you score points. All right, kids, are you ready to play adventure cards? Sparky says it's time to pause for a message from our sponsor.
Adventure Cards!
When you're away from home, who will answer your door? Ding dong. Whether it's day or night, I'll answer. Hoo hoo.
All right, kids, we're back and ready to play adventure cards. First, let's pick an animal. Oh, right, Sparky. I forgot my adventure vest. I put on my adventure vest when I'm going to create an adventure. It has lots of pockets where I keep my adventure cards. First, let's pick an animal. I just have to remember which pocket I put my animal cards in. Let's see. Wait, what is this? It's a little hippo, and it squeaks. Oh, Sparky, have you borrowed my adventure vest lately? No. No? Okay. All right, let me find my animal cards. Oh, they're in this pocket, right? Sparky. My animal cards are you? Sparky, what is this? That's a leash. Sparky, did you borrow my adventure vest to go to obedience school? You know that's not very obedient of you. Sparky, you know only I can wear my adventure vest when I'm making an episode. Okay, well, maybe I should buy Sparky his own adventure vest. All right, don't get so excited. We still have to finish the episode. All right, where was I? Let's see. I was looking for my animal cards. Let's see. Oh, they're in this pocket right here. Here we go. And no, those are places. Let's see. Oh, I know where they are. They're in this pocket right here. There they are, our animal cards. Let's pick an animal. Oh, that's a good one. Sparky, I'm not going to tell you what it is. You have to guess like everyone else. I'm going to act out this animal using sound. Are you ready? Here we go. Sparky says he thinks it's a mouse. Is it a mouse?
It's not a mouse.
You're right. That's not the sound of a mouse. I'm going to make the sound again. This time, you make the sound with me and see if you can guess our animal. Ready?
It's a monkey!
That's right. Our animal is a monkey. If you guessed a monkey, you score a point.
What kind of key opens a banana? A monkey!
Next, let's pick an object. Do you remember where I keep my object cards? Oh, I think they're in this pocket right down here. Nope, those are places. Let's see. Oh, I think my object cards are in this pocket. There they are, objects. I'm gonna pick an object. Ooh, that's gonna be kind of tough. Sparky, no, I don't need your help, but thanks for offering. I'm gonna act out my object using motion. Sparky, you know what motion is? Motion is any sort of movement. You can make motion with your arms, or with your head, or you can make motion with your whole body. Can you guess what I am? I'm the funky chicken. I'm going to act out my object using motion. You see if you can guess my object. Here goes. Can you guess what I'm doing? Sparky, did it look like I was blowing bubbles?
No!
I'm not blowing bubbles, Sparky, but that was a good guess. I'm gonna make the motion again. This time, you make the motion with me and see if you can guess our object. Ready?
It's a trumpet!
That's correct. Our object is a trumpet. If you guessed a trumpet, you score a point.
What do you call a cow that plays the trumpet?
I don't know.
A musician. Get it?
Next, let's pick a place. Do you remember where I keep my places? Sparky says they're in this pocket down here. Do you think he's right? Let's see. There they are, places. I'm gonna pick a place. Sparky wonders if it's a dog park.
Silly popster.
I'm gonna describe our place with details. I can use 3 words. Ready? Red, farm, building. Sparky, no, it's not a fire hydrant. I know fire hydrants are red, but a fire hydrant's an object, not a place. Let's repeat the details together. You see if you can guess our place. Ready? Red, farm, building.
It's a barn!
Great guess. Our place is a barn. If you guessed a barn, you score a point.
What do you get when a chicken lays an egg on top of a barn? An egg roll!
How many points did you score? Did you correctly guess the monkey, the trumpet, and the barn? If so, you scored 3 points. Oh, great job guessing. Did it help that I used sound, motion, and details to act out our animal, object, and place? You know, sound, motion, and details don't just make stories better, they make life better too. Wouldn't it be boring without them? Do you know what time it is now? It's time for you to act out the monkey, the trumpet, and the barn for someone else. Sparky, of course you can act out the monkey, trumpet, and barn. Not for me, I already know them. I want you to act out the monkey, trumpet, and barn for your mom or dad, brother or sister, grandparent, aunt, uncle, or friend. See if they can guess the animal, object, and place. The adventure is in your hands. I had a blast playing adventure cards and can't wait until the next episode. If you had a great time too, then subscribe by pressing the red button below. Next time, we'll create an awesome adventure about the monkey, the trumpet, and the barn. That's it for this episode of Adventure Cards Kids TV. What are you doing? The show's over. Turn off your screen. Go act out the monkey, trumpet, and barn for someone. Sparky, they're still watching. They won't turn off their screen. The show's over. Turn off your screen, go act out the monkey, trumpet, and barn. Sparky, they're still watching. They won't turn off the screen. What do I do? Oh, that's a great idea. I could change the location to a spot where I'm not. Now go act out the monkey, trumpet, and barn for someone. Have fun. Go bananas. Today we're going to dive into the wonderful world of storytelling. Storytelling? It is. I think it's too hot. Let's go where... Do you think he's right? Let's see. Wait, where? Oh, man. No, they're there. And a horse. Oh, come on. There's a bug in my mouth.
A zillion stories in every deck.